Okay, let's move on to multiple choice questions now. All right, so again, think from the writer's perspective. Let's talk about how this type of question is written. Every multiple choice question has two traps. One correct answer, two traps. Each wrong answer is mentioned in the passage. The traps get more difficult with each section. Okay, so section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, it gradually gets more difficult, as you can expect. Now, again, writing a question with a trap, you start with a full sentence. Right? I covered this in the last lesson, but let's cover it one more time. You start with this sentence. This would be in the question set. Okay? We take out a word or two. We think of other possible answers, right? City center, train station. Okay, so the correct answer is beach, but we think of two other possible answers. Okay, they can come before or after, and we try to create a natural context for the answer and the traps to be mentioned. Okay, here's an example. Well, our old apartment was near the train station, so we're familiar with that area, and most of our friends live near the city center, but ideally we would like to be situated close to the beach. Trap, trap, correct answer. Here's two traps after the answer. Well, our ideal location is adjacent to the beach. We looked at places near the train station, but they seemed a little expensive. We're open to other options as long as we can avoid living near the city center. Okay, so again, correct answer, incorrect, or trap, trap. And we can also have one trap before and one trap after. We looked at a few apartments near the train station and we were less than impressed. All things considered, our ideal location so far is adjacent to the beach. However, we're open to other options as long as we can avoid living near the city center. Trap, answer, trap. Okay, and normally, as I mentioned last time, the answer, the paraphrasing is going to match the trap. So, near the city center. That's the incorrect answer. But notice it sounds similar. Near the blank. Near the blank. The correct answer often has more paraphrasing. So the correct answer here is beach. And notice, situated within walking distance of. That doesn't sound like near, but the meaning is the same. All right, and then let's review how to prepare for these listening questions. It's going to be the same process as preparing for the fill in the blank, okay, or the completions that we did in lesson 1. Okay, underline the keywords, write the possible paraphrases, and then while you're listening, watch out for the before and after traps, and keep an eye on the next question. Don't fall behind, and don't panic. Okay, so the preparation is going to be the same as we're going to see in the following example.